Okay, now we're walking up to the famous Gundy's swimming hole, which is about a block up the river from Superior Street. So there's the rock that Laura jumped off of when she almost drowned way back when. Can't remember who saved her. And up the river. Actually, I can't remember if this is the Leicester or the Amity River. Well, here is the Betsy's swimming hole on the Leicester River, which many of us will remember. So who remembers 1972 when it was all looked like this? And we can see some trees that are slowly being washed out to the ocean. Okay, here we are now. This is the Superior Street Bridge over the Leicester and the Amity Rivers. Just walking up to it. You can see it's a very fun day for everybody. Nobody has to work today. And this is the Amity. You can see over across the rocks is the Leicester River. This is where the two of them come together. You can see that bridge up there, which the water is completely going over that bridge. So I'm guessing that that bridge is probably not going to be there for much longer. Of course, hopefully the bridge that I'm standing on is going to be, but it doesn't seem to be moving around too much. I'll just run across the street and look downstream towards the railroad bridge. Wow, a lot of water. I guess if I was the person in that room up there, if you can see them, which is like, what, about 20 feet back from the water, I'd be hoping that my apartment doesn't go crashing in. You saw the fire truck go by. There's been plenty of other cars, you know, emergency people going by, all of whom honk at you and put their sirens on to get out of the way, because they're all running about 20 miles over the speed limit.